In a food processing factory, a shocking accident took place. One small mistake changed a life forever. A worker was doing his routine job when a screw, not tightened properly, gave way under pressure. Suddenly, toxic chemicals burst out, splashing onto his feet and quickly spreading across his entire body. He tried desperately to escape, but slipped and fell and was completely covered in the dangerous liquid. Witnesses say he struggled to save himself, but the intensity of the chemicals made it impossible. Researchers later confirmed that this liquid was extremely hazardous, not only destroying the skin, but also damaging the brain and nervous system. Doctors revealed that his entire body is now wrapped and immobilized, leaving only his head uncovered. His life is not in immediate danger, but his recovery still remains very uncertain. The company is discussing compensation, but the real responsibility for this tragedy has not yet been decided. Warning: remember, in factories or chemical areas, even the smallest negligence can lead to life-changing disasters. Always follow safety protocols, protect yourself, and protect others.